Hi traders, welcome to our weekly outlook. I welcome all of you. It's been a long time not publishing these videos. We like to apologize. We had that slightly problem since the lockdown, okay? So we were doing some small things, but we are done now. We are happy to be back. Hope this pandemic, it's treating you well by staying at home. It's giving you more time to be on chart, to analyze more chart, and build that strategy for you that you were not, let's say, not perfect with that strategy. Okay, so we kinda have that lucky to have this pandemic and this lockdown to stay at home and use that advantage to build yourself on trading. Okay. We'd like to welcome all of you guys who are in our new channel, who are new in this channel of Rev Daily Traders. Okay, we welcome all of you, those who are new, and we welcome all of you, those who are already in our channel. Okay, so this week we're going to focus to these all pairs that we have on our watch list. Okay, guys. So we're going to start by showing you our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel, this is our link. Okay, guys? It's our link that you should share to other traders. Okay, guys? So that you can share those links so that they can get those charts, updates, and what to look for. Okay? So if you subscribe to our channel, this is our subscribers for now. If you subscribe to our channel, then you'll get videos and click that notification button so that you can get new videos that we're going to make for you. Okay, guys? And also, we have Twitter handle. Okay, that Twitter handle, our link, it's up here. It's where we share most charts. Okay, we predict more charts even on Twitter. If you follow us on Twitter, you'll get those charts updates even on TradingView. Okay, guys? So we'll start our weekly outlook for this week. We'll start with gold. Okay, right. On gold, if we squeeze this chart and see what we are looking for. Okay, right. On gold, what we are looking for, we are still having in the impulse, then we're having 1 is 2, then we expect 3 here, or a C wave. Okay, guys? So now at the moment, we still have this room to fill. Is it ready to fill, or should we start to sell now and take our sales to go down? Is it ready or not? So it's our job as Rev Daily Traders to analyze that chart. Okay, right. On daily, we still having this impulse, then it's pulled back to our monthly RS. Okay, then it took off again. So now we are expecting a correction here so that it can take us to this 1834.86. Okay, guys? So what to do on lower time frame? Let's go to lower time frame to see if we are getting that low, that buy that we are looking for. Okay, we'll move the chart. You'll see that we did have this 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then we took off. Then we got another correction here. We took off here. Now we got this big correction that built here. Right. What you need to do for next week, you'll wait for this to break out. You'll put a buy limit here and a stop here for us to take the price to 1834.86. Okay, guys? So for now, we are still looking to sell, to buy gold. Okay, you look for this correction to go for next week. What you are looking for. If you take your trend line, okay, then it will give you a guidance for you to see what you are doing here. Let's shift to a lower time frame so that you can see what I'm talking about here. Okay, right. On lower time frame, the market has built a correction there. Okay, so in that correction, you will wait for a breakout. That breakout, you'll put a buy here, limit, then a stop loss for you to take this here, to take this up here, okay, up to this roof of ours or the trend line here. But you'll get a buy setup here above 1744. Look for buys here. It's either going to give you one more low or go straight here, okay, or give you one more low again, go here, but you get a buy setup here. Okay, what you are looking for is buy. Okay, guys, so what you are going to do on gold, you're going to buy for next week. Okay, guys, we'll move to another currency pair. That currency pair is silver. So right on silver, we were looking a reversal on this price. Okay, so we got it. If you didn't buy here on lower time frame, you'll wait for a bigger correction to be built here. I think we're going to be here for a long time, but if we shift to a lower time frame, this will guide us what to do for next week. Okay, guys, let's see what silver is doing. Okay, so as we predict on our published trading view, we were looking for buy here or let the market to test this price, then we look for buy up until this roof. So now the market has bounced here. As I told you that we are having twins, so the market bounced off on this price 14.50. Okay, so what we are looking for now will shift to a lower time frame. A lower time frame, it's giving us a good price action here. Okay, it's giving us a good price action. So you'll be looking for a break here. to take us to this price 15.95. Okay, if not, you'll look for it to test 15.00, then you look for buy again here. Okay, so on gold, on silver, we are still on buys, guys. Okay, because now it's giving us a nice price action on this moment. Okay, so we will look for buys. We'll go to another currency pair, USD ZAR. Right, on USD ZAR, shift to 4 hour and see what we are still looking for. We are still looking for the price to rise up until $20. Okay, this price is crucial, guys. The market is going to move slowly, then give us a $20, then it tends to go down. If not, if you get one more up, then it tends to give you a new high, then wait for a break on this trend line, then look for the correction and take a trade. Okay, then you will be watching this price. You'll be watching this price. Okay, if you take sell, but if you are not in buy here, leave this buy for now because it's too risky. It can turn anytime. Okay, can turn anytime. So I'm saying you can ignore this buy, but it's your choice if you want to take this buy. Okay, you'll wait for it to break, put a buy limit here, put a stop behind this, then take the trade and watch this price for your take profit. Okay, right, we'll move to lower time frame and see what we are having here. On lower time frame, as you see this arrow that curved here, we were looking for this small cell to come and test this trend line. Okay, so it did come and didn't come as we expected, but we are having this impulse, then this correction can take us up until then we go up again. Okay, but I will advise that leave dollars alone for now because it's not a favorable setup and not a clear one if you are not an experienced trader. But I will say for now, leave this alone. If you are going to take a risk here, make sure that you're going to have a buy here, stop here, then manage your trade well. Okay, you should trade with care on this dollars. Okay, guys, we'll move to Euro USD. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and click that notification button so that you can get our videos when we post. Okay, right, on Euro USD. Euro USD, it was giving us, let's see, Euro USD. We were expecting this as impulse, then it's 1, it's 2, it's 3. These two go here, then we take to test 1.05, okay? Then if we are going for a big run on this buy, you'll wait for the break here and watch this price 1.10, okay? It's a watch point for us to get a flag above it. Then we take this price to this 1.12, okay? Because here we are having more flags that we see. Let me give you this one, okay? And a clear one. But before that, let me show you what we are seeing and what happened on Euro USD, okay? Because we did publish this kind of move. This kind of move we did predict on TradingView. We were looking for the price to give us 1, 2, is 3, then the market to give us here, okay? Then that will be our impulse. Then we are having a correction here for us to go down. So it gave us that, okay? Then it bounced off to this price. Right. Now what we are looking for? We are looking for a buy setup, but that buy setup will be a watch point or a watchable trade. Why a watchable trade, guys? A watchable trade because, let me take out these ones, because they are already been used. Okay, right. Let me take this one here. Then for you to buy, if you didn't buy from low, you will be waiting for a impulse here. Let's say correction inside this trend lines. Then you take a trade up until here. Okay, this is a 1.10 price that you should be looking at, because you'll be having such pattern like this one, like a flat pattern, okay? A flat pattern that will be expecting here. 1.10, it's our watch point, guys. It's our watch point, so that if this market goes like this and come here, you'll be watching this one, whether it's going to break and give you a retracement for you to continue to take it to this price, okay, to test that high. But if the market gives you a price action here that is turning back, you'll wait for an impulse, then you correct here, then you take a trade to come and test this 1.05, okay guys? So next week, what you will be looking for, you'll be looking for this buy to come to 1.10, okay? It's your buy setup on Euro USD, okay guys? We'll move to NZUSD. NZUSD, guys, we are anticipating that we're going to get a flat, not a flat, but an expanding triangle, okay? We were expecting to get this expanding triangle, but this expanding triangle it has not been wrapped off, okay? Why we are saying this? We are saying this because we are having this kind of price action. It's turned here, then it's broke, then we are having a bigger correction here. It might give us this ABC move to come where we want it to come, okay? So next week, what you are going to look for, this should give you a 1, 2, 3, then come and test 0.60, then look for sells here, okay? Is what we are going to anticipate this move. Then if not this move, then we'll be looking for the price to come there. But we are not anticipating this, okay guys? But it will be like this if it's going to be a play out pattern. We'll be watching this closely, okay? These lows are important because the price can come. Let me clear these ones. The price can do this, guys. The price can give us this kind of impulse. It's 1, 2, 3, it's 4, it's 5, okay? A triangle or a wedge one. Then we'll be looking for buys here. Looking for buys. Then you'll wait for a correction to take us up there, okay? We are having two patterns here that can be in place next week. But I will be clearing this for you so that you can see what we be watching for, okay? Right. We are having this kind of right. It's our impulse. It's 1, it's 2. We're expecting 3 here so that you can have the buy setup, okay? This buy setup, you're going to manage it well so that you won't be fooled by candles, okay? Don't follow candles, follow patterns, okay guys? So this 1, 2, 3 that is building here, it's our 61 Fibonacci, okay? So we'll be looking for this to give us something like this on lower time frame. It's up to you if you want to take the sell up until here, okay? 0.59. It's your watch point that you should watch. Then from here, you look for a buy opportunity here, okay? For you to take this one and watch the break here to take the price to 0.60, okay? So you'll be looking for this, but on TradingView, we'll update you what to do. But I'm saying this, it's our correction that you should watch for next week so that you can take this pair to 0.60, okay? Right, we'll move to pound USD. Remember that in trading, you follow patterns. The structure always changes all the time. You shouldn't tell yourself that you are wrong in the market. You are not wrong in the market, okay? Let me remove this because we are still looking for this one to give us, let me show you on the time frame what we were anticipating on this chart before I'm removing these ones, okay? I want to show you what we were anticipating, right? we are having this impulse, okay guys? So this correction is not that big for us to take us up, okay? Because we got a big correction here. So we should get a bigger correction for us to take this one, okay? Up. So now what we were expecting, we're expecting on lower time frame to give us a impulse here of down, then it's correct for us to come and test this lows, okay? It's 120 around or 121, this price, this one, okay? Then we'll be looking for our buys here. So as things stands, this moves slowly, a bit up, then we got what we were expecting, then take a trade, then we'll be having this to take a trade again. On OLED wave, it's 1, it's 2, it's 3, it's 4, then it's 5. Then we'll be expecting for a reversal here, okay? To take us 132, 132 guys, okay? So we'll be having such pattern like this one pound, dollar, okay? We'll move to Aussie, USD, okay? Right, on Aussie USD, what we are looking for, this building here, it can give us one more low, then up to what you should look for, okay? On Aussie USD, you look for buys here. We don't see sell at the moment, we are seeing buys, right? What do you do if it breaks like this, right? If you go to a lower time frame, let's go to a lower time frame and see what this is doing, okay? Right. At the moment, let me remove this one. At the moment, we are having this one. We are having this kind of pattern, okay? This pattern, sorry guys, can give us, let's take our Fibonacci, it can come and test 161 of Fibonacci, then we'll be having such 1, 2, 3, take us up again, okay? Similar to this APC. You see this APC, guys? Let me take this one. This APC move, okay? This kind of APC. You'll be having this next week. You'll be looking to sell this one on lower time frame. Then it will be giving you something like this. This one. It will be giving something like this. Same length, okay? This APC move, this kind of APC. To take it up. So it's up to you if you want to wait for impulse, correct, then you sell this one with care, then look for a buy setup here. Okay, look for buy setup and manage this trade. It can take us, let's see, can take us to this point, 1 4 hour. Then you look for a sell, then a buy here to take us up. Okay, we're having such A, it's B, C. A here, it's B here, then we are having a C here. Okay, we'll be having a 2 session videos on this weekly outlook. Okay, guys. Then after this APC move, you'll be looking to buy here. To buy, we're going to have this kind of run. Don't miss this run. The similar run, don't miss it. Okay, guys? Take this kind of GBT. Take this to here. We're having this, then expect buy here. Okay, we'll be having one. This one is 2 and 3. Then look for this to go 0.66. Okay, let's go to $8 CAD. Right, on dollar CAD, what we are expecting here, let's go to a higher time frame. A higher time frame is going to show us why we are looking for sales. Okay, it will give us a direction why we're looking for sales here. Let's go to lower time frame. Right, lower time frame is 4. At the moment, we haven't tested this roof of ours. Okay, so now what we are anticipating is this APC move, expanding, then look for sales this week. Okay, we'll be waiting for a break on this channel that is building there. Then you look for a buy on this 1 2 3. Okay, guys, then we'll be having this kind of pattern. It's A, it's B, C, impulse. Okay, after that you'll be looking A, it's an impulse here, it's A, it's B, C. On this we'll be looking to buy again, but for now what we'll be watching is this kind of price action. Okay, for us to take us down here. So we'll trade with CAD, guys. Pound CAD, pound CAD, also on pound CAD. We are having this correction that is in building. It can build, go up, yeah. It can break our pattern there, okay? Or watch for a small move, small move, small move, okay? Up until it come and test this flow of ours, okay? Then we'll be having an impulse. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3, okay? For you to go up there. It's pound CAD, guys. So let's move to a lower time frame and see what this is doing. for you to be sure about buy. Okay, for you to be sure about buy. I'm showing you how you're going to take up this one. Right. We are having this kind of correction. This correction, it's impulse, it's A, it's B, it's C. Okay, you'll be watching this to give us one more look, then go, or go right away here. It will be our structure for pound CAD. To watch this, to be aggressive, then get a flag above, then you take a trade. If you don't see a flag here, if you don't see a flag above this one, don't take this trade. Okay, you'll take only this trade if you see a flag above here. Then you take a buy. Come and test this high or this high. Okay, move to NZ CAD. We will end on EuroCAD, then we'll move, because I said it will be a two-phase video. So we'll be focusing on two-phase video. So we'll end with EuroCAD, okay? But now it's NZCAD, guys. NZCAD, what we are looking for. See what we are looking for. NZCAD. We were looking for it to bounce on this flow of ours, okay? So we got impulse here, then it's 1, it's 2, it's 3. Let me make it clear for you by going to a lower time frame, because I showed you what we are looking for. Right. On NZCAD. NZCAD, what we are seeing here. That, let me show you. It's impulse, then it's 1, it's 2, it's 3. Then we expect this to come here. Okay, so it didn't come right way. It gave us another correction here for us to come here. Okay, so for next week, I will say NZCAD, you stay away for it to come to this part of 0.86. Then you'll be looking for cells here. Okay, you'll be looking for cells. Looking for cells. It's all we see here. Okay, so for us to take, if you are an experienced trader, it's going to be a flat one. Let this one to come, then look for cells here, then you take a trade. Look for cells here. It's impasse, then you correct, then you go. Okay, you'll be having A, B, C to take a trade up. It's what you can do if you don't want to leave NZCAD. I'm showing you an opportunity if you're an experienced trader, but I will update you on TradingView what to do. Okay, guys? So you let this to move slowly or faster, then watch for a price action to take us down here, 0.84. Okay? Our last currency pair. Now we are looking to buy this one. Okay? I'll be fast on this one. Or we are looking to sell before we buy. Okay? This sell. But I will advise for you to leave this sell and watch for buys here. we'll be looking for buys only. Okay. We'll continue to our next video that is going to take us to another to our end. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys.